Hi, I'm Sophie Wilson. I'm a third year nutrition student, and I decided to do my presentation on eating habits among college students. Overweightness and obesity rates in the US are increasing. The study I found on college students and eating habits states that the incidence rate for obesity is 29% of the population aged 20 to 39 years of age. Another source that I found states that the freshman 15 is a real phenomenon among all students, not just freshmen, and that for some it is more or less than 15 pounds gained. Most importantly, there are useful strategies for avoiding weight gain and to implement healthy habits in our daily lives. The study College Students and Eating Habits mentions the following barriers that influence college students' habits: convenience of high caloric foods, stress and time constraints, skipping meals, unhealthy snacking, high prices of healthy foods, poor nutritional skills and education, and poor sleeping habits. The study also mentions enablers such as knowledge and education, meal planning, and being physically active. Having healthy snacks on hand can save a lot of time when there are time constraints in our lives. Examples of snacks are carrots and hummus, an apple, yogurt, trail mix, and many more. A common myth is that healthy food is expensive, but with the right budgeting, it is totally possible to eat healthy. Healthy foods also keep you fuller for longer and are better for you in the long run. There are so many great resources on campus for students to learn more, including Pulse, specifically HEAT, which is located in the Health Center, where students can meet with peers to learn more and have one-on-one consultations about nutrition and physical activity. There's also a registered dietitian on campus who can provide students with nutritional information based on the individual. There are many more resources at the website that I have provided. Some healthy nutrition habits are to eat breakfast, whether that's a banana or a granola bar on the way to class. It's super easy to eat that really quick right before class. Another is avoiding skipping meals because the brain needs nutrients to function. As mentioned before, keeping healthy snacks on hand, drinking plenty of water, increasing veggie and fruit intake, and choosing the healthy choice when eating on campus. Physical activity is also important in a healthy lifestyle. Ways to incorporate physical activity in college life can include taking study breaks to do a small workout, like just walking in place or doing a few jumping jacks, weekly hikes or walks on the beach to get out, joining a sports team, and using the stairs instead of an elevator. Lastly, writing notes of encouragement to remind yourself of healthy habits can be useful in keeping those habits and for a positive mindset. Thank you.